Hello everyone. Today, I want to walk you through a very special project. A one-bedroom loft house built on a tiny footprint of just 4 by 4 meters. Looking at the exterior, you can see we went for a clean, modern look. The beige textured walls are simple and warm, and the stone pillar on the corner, it gives the house a strong, grounded feel. The dark wood front door has a sleek, geometric design, and the large window beside it lets in plenty of natural light. We also have a simple wooden fence and a small garden here. Perfect for a morning coffee outside. Now let's head inside. Stepping through the front door, you land right in the open plan living space. This open layout is essential for a small home like this. Now, looking straight ahead, we have the living area. There is a white sofa against the wall that feels really cozy and inviting. Next to the sofa is my favorite part of the ground floor, a custom wooden unit that serves as both a dining table and a TV stand. It acts as a subtle divider between the living room and the kitchen without closing the space off. And if you look under the stairs, we also utilized the space under the stairs on the far side to hide a washing machine and addition shelves to store casual stuffs. Moving into the kitchen, I think you will be surprised by how functional it is. We have dark wood cabinets that look great against the light walls. The countertop is a gray stone finish, and we installed a deep black sink with a high arched faucet. Next to it is a stove and a modern hood. Over in the corner, we managed to fit a full-size refrigerator. Right next to the stairs, there's a door that leads to the bathroom. Now this is a tight space, but we made it look sharp. By using dark blue, glossy tiles from floor to ceiling, it gives the bathroom a bold, moody feel. There is a wall-mounted toilet, a small sink with a wooden vanity for storage, and a walk-in shower base. It is a wet room style, but it works perfectly fine for daily use. It is small, but it is smart. Okay, let's head upstairs to the loft. This is really where the magic happens in a tiny house. By building up instead of out, we double our living space. The stairs are steep to save room, but the wooden handrail makes you feel secure. As you walk up, you get a great view looking down over the kitchen, and the front window really makes the house feel open and tall. Now, we've arrived at the bedroom. This is your private space. We actually fit a very comfortable double bed up here, which is great for a loft. For storage, a huge wardrobe unit with glossy white sliding doors and wood trim along the edges. It runs almost the full height of the wall, so there is plenty of space for clothes. I also added a nice wood-paneled accent wall behind the bed, which brings a lot of warmth to the room. And look at this elegant black chandelier hanging down. It adds a touch of luxury that you don't usually expect in a tiny house. Finally, the best part of this bedroom is the large window right next to the bed. When you wake up, you look outside and see the green trees and the sky. It makes the room feel completely open and connected to nature. That is our 4 by 4 meter loft house idea. Small footprint, but big on comfort. Thank you for watching.